and welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm excited because I'm going to be featuring another curly girl hair product, and I was actually at Sally's Beauty and I came across this product. It said all about curls, and they had the shampoo, conditioner, as well as styling products. And I'm good on the shampoo and conditioner. I really am more interested in styling products. And they were fairly reasonably priced, so I definitely was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I picked up All About Curls, both the bouncy curl cream or bouncy cream, and I also picked up their high definition gel, crunchless ultra hold. So you know me, I know that my curls for my wash and go styles, I need a cream and a gel. I can't do just cream and not just gel. I need both. And so when I seen that they carried both products, I was like super excited to try. And they were only $11 each. So with tax, probably like 12 bucks. So yeah, they're definitely well worth it. And for the size, I mean, the bouncy cream is definitely on the smaller side. It's only 5.1 ounces, but for this high definition gel, this one is 15 ounces. So that's definitely a lot of product, which is great. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how this product works out for me and my curls, please stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next great video. Let's hop into it. So I'm working on freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna first section it off in a smaller section. I'm gonna apply the bouncy cream first, and I'm going to work that in with my hands, and then I'm going to use my brush to work it in as well. And throughout the process, I am going to be spritzing my hair with water just to make sure it's nice and moisturized and wet, so that the product just works through even better. And I'm using a pretty generous amount of each product when applying. So after I applied the bouncy cream, then I'm going to go in and apply the gel. And sometimes what I notice is that I needed more water on my hair after applying the gel. So you want to make sure that your hair is nice and wet when you are applying these products. I like that both products are pretty lightweight. They don't weigh my hair down or anything like that. I also like that they don't leave any residue. So as you can see in the video, there are spots where it has, like, the white residue. But once the hair is dry, that dries and it disappears. So I like that it doesn't leave any residue. I also like that it doesn't flake once it is dry. So I've completed half of my head, and I'm going to apply the product to the other half off camera, and then I'm going to come back to you guys once it's all done. So here's what my hair and curls are looking like now that I've applied the product throughout my hair. I am loving the way it looks. These curls are really popping. I'm going to dry it with my diffuser, and typically when I diffuse my hair, I still leave it about 10 to 20% wet so that it can air dry the rest of the way, and then I can style it. Yes, all about curls. Okay, I see you. My curls are popping. I like that. All right, so I would love to know what you guys think of this product. I am loving it. Like, my curls are nice and defined, they're popping. They're not that crunchy, just a little crunch in some sections where I put like a lot of the gel product in it, but honestly, it's not very crunchy at all. Like, I'm very impressed. I don't necessarily know if this product is a natural curly product, like natural curly girl product, or if it's just a general curls product for any hair type, not just like African American or Black American hair textures. But I'm loving how it is on my hair. It was only $11 for each product, so you know, roughly like $23, $24 from Sally's. Most people do have a Sally's nearby. You can also order it online, and sometimes they run specials on this. I know this week they are. But yeah, so I would certainly use this product again, and I mean, I will, because I still have a lot of product left, so I'll definitely be using it and testing it out. If you guys want to know like a, you know, update, like a 3-day, 5-day, 7-day update, because I'll probably just stick with the wash and go look for a whole week and see how this product holds up. If you guys want to see those updates, not see them, but if you want to hear how the product held out throughout the week, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.